Are you someone who dreams of designing beautiful interiors, but feels overwhelmed by complicated software? Have you tried learning Coohom but got lost in random tutorials with no clear path? Well, let's fix that together. I'm the creator of the Home Designer YouTube channel, where I've already helped thousands of viewers learn Coohom step by step. And now, I'm building something even bigger, a complete Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, designed to take you from beginner to expert. But before launching it, I want to know, do you want this course?
Do you want this?
Let me show you what's inside. Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, from basics to expertise. This all-in-one course is structured into 3 progressive levels. Level 1 Basic. This level is perfect for beginners. Even if you've never opened Coohom before, you'll learn what is Coohom and how it compares to other tools like SketchUp, how to install and set up Coohom, free versus pro, pricing structure, and how to upgrade, exploring the main dashboard, 2D/3D views, and the workspace, using tools like pan, zoom, groups, material brush, arrays, templates, how to draw your first floor plan, how to furnish and customize a room, how to render your design with proper lighting and textures. Each module comes with hands-on assignments, and by the end, you'll design a complete living room from scratch. Level 2, Intermediate, full home planning and smart tools. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to step into real-world design projects. In this level, you'll learn full house planning with proper space zoning, smart use of AI-powered templates, editing walls, ceilings, and advanced material applications, creating 360 panoramas and walkthrough videos, advanced space planning and furniture layout. This level prepares you to confidently take on entire residential designs and present them with professional quality visuals. Level 3, Advanced, commercial design and custom tools. Now we move to the professional league. In this level, you'll work on a restaurant or a commercial space and master tools like custom 3D modeling, custom kitchens and doors, lighting design for large spaces, construction and layering tools, creating ultra-realistic renders for client presentations. By the end, you'll be designing high-end commercial interiors with speed, precision, and creativity. What you'll get inside the course: practical assignments and final design projects, high-resolution renders, downloadable floor plan and lighting guides, free design templates to practice, and course updates, access to a peer support community. Special bonus for early supporters. If you're excited for this course and want to be one of the first to get in, use the promo code Home Designer to unlock early access and a special launch discount. Subscribe now to my YouTube channel at Home Designer 3. DM me on Instagram at HomeDesignerofic to reserve your spot or ask questions. But first, I need your feedback. Would you enroll in this course? Comment "I'm in" below. Vote in the poll, or message me directly with your thoughts. Your input will help me shape the course exactly the way you need it. Learning design doesn't have to be confusing when you follow the right roadmap. And that's exactly what this masterclass offers. Let's master Coohom together.